Hi, I just want to do a really quick video to show you guys how you should submit the free response portion of your test. You've completed your test in your own handwriting and you took a picture of it with either your phone or your computer. I did mine here. My example is through my phone, and you'll notice that I have some document in here. Yours is going to be the test, but mine here says spring 2020. So this would be a worksheet, but you're going to have your test. So once you do that, you are then going to take that document and you are going to end up saving it to your desktop. So you're going to go over here, and this is an example of what I did. So this is the test example right here. I took a photo of it and I saved it to my desktop right there. Okay, so now you're going to go to your Word document. So you're going to open up a Word document, which I am doing right now. And I am going to go to my home. I'm going to get a blank document. I'm going to open that up, and I am going to type my name, and I'm going to type honor chemistry, and let's say that I'm in hour 1. And now what you will need to do is you will need to attach your picture of your document in your own handwriting. Okay, so to do that, you're going to go to in Word, you're going to go to Insert, you're going to go to Picture, you're going to go to Picture from a File, and you've saved this on your desktop. So you're going to go down and you are going to look for that test example right there, and you are going to insert it. Okay, now here's the big piece, is that when you insert it, you'll notice that it showed up in the second piece of that sheet, or the second sheet. We want it to be just right under your name. So you will have to go ahead and maybe make this a little bit smaller so that it does show up in that first page. The other thing you will notice is that this did show up with the correct orientation. If it doesn't, you will need to take this and rotate appropriately. So we do want this to be done and completed in the correct orientation. This is a pretty big file that I have over here, so I'm going to see if I can get this a little bit smaller. And again, you're just going to want to make sure that that orientation is complete. Okay, so I have this expanded a little bit. Let's see if I go smaller. I don't know if I can do that while I'm recording, but oh, here's the button. I can kind of show you what I'm talking about. So we want that all to be within that first page, just right after your name. Okay, so that's the process. Good luck.